down the line, couple of years back when I was heading a subdivision in Jammu and Kashmir, there also we felt the same kind of thing. It is Dudu Basantgarh, one of the only subdivisions left in district Udhampur of J&K. There I was facing the same problem, the confidence level among us, the public, the stakeholders, how to bring them forward and take certain initiatives. And in that particular thing, we started with certain kind of exercises. Like, first of all, we started with automation of bank branches there. Jammu and Kashmir Bank prevails there largely. And we took some initiatives to get more branches out there. We had a meeting with the then chairman, Mr. Drabu, and we happened to get more branches sanctioned. Then as far as expansion of portfolio is concerned, we started bringing some kind of things like insurance, certain basic things which villagers basically get attracted to. More so regarding the ICT, we tried to get more towers, erected obviously after environmental sanctions and sanctioning authorities. Some mobile towers coming up there, some employment generation programs we started there, in the sense MSME workshops were organized in which we got some mobile training kind of workshop, mobile repair and training, and some employment with some incentive loans also to them so that they get attracted. So similar kind of initiatives, if taken at the grassroots level, obviously we are the conduits being in administration and the bankers and the public. So we try to take a lot of such initiatives, and here I would like to add a very small another example. One of earlier financial inclusion summits I attended in Hyderabad ISB only some time back, Mr. Y.C. Deveshwar told about a beautiful concept, as we all know now, it's very popular, e-Chopal, in which he had really gone up to the rural masses and got them involved. Similar was another case study on Sula wines, which was coming up in Pune and somewhere in Maharashtra, where actually this went up to the people, villagers, involved them themselves. So suo moto initiatives from the entrepreneurial side, from the system, from people like us, and the bankers are, I'm sure, going to gel up and create better results in times to come.